Letter S. Saw. Sandwich. Soap. Sun. Sea. Scissors. Hello, I am a pilot. A pilot flies an aeroplane. Two silly goats. There lived two silly goats in a village. There was a narrow bridge over a river in the village. One day, the goats wanted to cross the bridge. One silly goat was on one side, the other one was on the other side. One of them said, "I shall go first, allow me to pass." The other goat said, "No, I must cross first, you move aside." Neither of them yielded. At last they came to the middle of the bridge. They began to fight terribly. As they were fighting, both of them fell into the river and were drowned. Moral of the story: love your neighbors. Hello, I am a cobbler.
Uh-oh, my shoe is broken. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down, and then I'll give you half a crown. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Uh-oh, my shoe is broken. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down, and then I'll give you half a crown. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30.
Cobbler mends our shoes. Letter J. Jar. Jeep. Jacket. Jaguar. Jam. Hello, I am a soldier. A soldier protects our country. Take white color earbuds and stick them with the help of a glue as per the shape of daisy flower. Use green color thread to make the leaves and stem of the flower. Stick the yellow color cotton in the center to complete the flower. Hello, I am a baker. I prepare delicious food for you to eat. Rainbow song. Red and orange, green and yellow, blue and violet and indigo, all the colors that we know, live up in the rainbow. Red and green and yellow, blue and violet and indigo. Hello, I am a fireman. Fireman is a person who protects us from fire.